If you've spent even a couple of minutes in the tire industry, you've no doubt noticed a sinister plague infecting the vehicles rolling into your bays. If you've seen it once, you've seen it a million times. It's that dreaded TPMS light. Look, your customers are busy, and many of them have probably noticed that their vehicle seems to perform just fine on the road, whether that TPMS light is on or not. So what's the rush? Others might just not know how to turn it off or even what it means. If you want to separate yourself from the competition in this industry, you've got to be informative and quick to resolve issues. Bonus points if you can do it all with a smile. So today, let's dive into how sharing your knowledge about the benefits of keeping that TPMS light off can help you boost your sales numbers while keeping your customers safe and even saving them some money. Think about this. 1 out of every 4 vehicles on the road is running on underinflated tires. In some cases, there's a huge disparity between where those tires are inflated to and where they're actually supposed to be. Now, that's a big safety concern, but even in cases where they are only off by a few PSI, it still means those drivers are throwing money into the proverbial toilet on fuel and wearing out their tires faster than they should. This is where TPMS technology steps in. When you talk to customers about TPMS, you may realize that many drivers don't even know their car is equipped with this important safety feature until, of course, the dashboard warning light comes up. Now, it's your job to explain that TPMS monitors tire pressure, alerting the driver to low pressure before it becomes a bigger problem. Underinflated tires can reduce handling, increase stopping distances, and even lead to blowouts. So safety is the key message here. But TPMS isn't just about safety. It's also about saving money. And I'm gonna let you in on a little secret. Here, come here. No, come here. Yeah, okay. Your customers love saving money. You're welcome. When tires are properly inflated, drivers get better fuel economy and reduced tread wear, which means more miles per gallon and a longer tire life. And with gas prices being the way they are, I'm looking at you West Coast, that's a message your customers will appreciate. Educating customers about these benefits can turn TPMS from just another light on the dashboard into a value-added service that keeps them coming back to your shop. Now, I know resetting TPMS systems can sometimes be a hassle, but here's the good news. Making the process of turning off that pesky light quick and seamless for your customers gives you a chance to stand out and make more money. Be efficient and educate your customers on what you're doing and why you're doing it. If you are the one to finally explain to the driver the true benefits of TPMS, they'll feel more confident in all of the services they receive from your shop. That means they're going to keep coming back. Get it? So TPMS is more than just a safety feature. It's a tool to build trust with your customers by showing them you care about their safety, their wallet, and their vehicle's performance. So remember, the next time a customer sees that TPMS light, it's not just a warning, it's an opportunity. For more tire and service videos, don't forget to follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. I'm David Sickles coming to you from the Tire Review Continental Tire Garage Studio. Thanks for watching.